Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware. Confirm your laptop's port is Thunderbolt 3/4 or USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, and your GPU can drive 3 externals. Once done, choose a dock specifically rated for 3x monitors. USB-C or Thunderbolt docks differ. Make sure cables match each monitor's input: DisplayPort, HDMI, or USB-C. Prepare power. Many docks need external power to run 3 displays. Attach monitors, but don't configure settings yet. Keep drivers and firmware ready to install when prompted. You now plug the dock into your laptop with the provided Thunderbolt or USB-C cable. This single link carries video, data, and power. Next, attach monitors to the dock's outputs following the manufacturer's port order. Some docks allocate higher bandwidth to specific ports. Once connected, install the dock driver and update dock firmware. These unlock multi-monitor functionality. If you're daisy-chaining via DisplayPort MSD, enable MSD in the dock's firmware or OS display settings. After drivers, reboot the laptop to ensure stable detection. Finally, configure your monitors in the operating system. Arrange their order, pick a primary display, and set each resolution and refresh rate. Make adjustments once you confirm detection. Reduce resolution or refresh rate if bandwidth limits cause flicker. If a screen doesn't appear, swap cables and ports, confirm the dock's power adapter is connected, and reapply firmware updates. As a last resort, add a certified USB video adapter for the third screen if hardware limits prevent 3 native outputs. That's it, 3 monitors running from one laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.